Good morning students. Today's topic minimization of Boolean expression. Minimization of Boolean expression. So minimization मतलब क्या? A lengthy expression will be given to you and you have to make it a shorter one. Okay, as layman's terms I am saying. बड़ा expression को छोटा बनाना. That is all about minimization. So there are two ways to minimize a Boolean expression. So using postulates and theorem which are already taught to you, using those we can convert a big expression into an equivalent smaller one, and the second method is using Carnot map. This is a new topic, you will learn it using Carnot map. Alright, this already is taught to you and with the help of example I will show you. So this is a given Boolean expression. This is one given expression to you. This is a given Boolean expression to you. We have to minimize it. What we are asked to do, we are asked to minimize this given Boolean expression. After minimization, we have to find the equivalent one. Alright, this should be the equivalent one. So let's see. So in the first step, what we can see that y is common to both. So what we will do, we will take y as the common from the first two terms. थर्ड टर्म को कुछ करना नहीं है, उसे ऐसे रख देते हैं. So if you keep on practicing, आ जाएगा. You will be able to do. क्यों कॉमन लिया पहले in the initial time you could have there will be a confusion why you have taken common and all, but when you will practice you will also be what to say, you will have the mastery on this. Alright, so from these two terms what I have done, I have taken y as common. So x plus x complement, third term जैसा है वैसा डालना. So x plus x complement is what law of complements says that this is 1. Alright, so this is 1. So this I can write as y plus x dash y. So using distributive law, now what I will do, I will use distributive law here. Alright, one thing, this was having y complement also. Okay, this was having complement from initial. जब given था तभी में complement. So now what I have done, I have used distributive law. Y plus x complement, y plus y complement. What? D law. Since I have used distributive law here. Right? In this step, distributive law is being used. So after that, what you will get, this you will get to be as, this you will get to be as again 1. यहाँ पे जैसे 1 मिला था, इससे जब 1 आया था, like that, like this one, from here also you will get 1. Right? This is 1. So 1 into anything is that thing, y plus x complement. So this is the equivalent one. Answer क्या है, क्या मिला, y plus x complement is the answer. So this is how I have minimized the given expression and I have obtained the equivalent one. Okay, this is the minimization. I hope you have understood. So now we will learn what are K-maps, what are Karnaugh maps, right? Okay students, एक नया टॉपिक मिला है Karnaugh map. Karnaugh map जिसे कि K-map भी बोला जाता है. So first you will be knowing the definition, then how to read the table or how to read the map. कैसे read किया जाता है, definition पहले मालूम होना चाहिए. फिर दूसरा how to read the table, how to read the Karnaugh map. Third, how to convert it. Okay, and lastly minimization. Minimization of Boolean expression is possible with the help of Karnaugh map. Okay, in your syllabus it is given in that way. But for minimization of a Boolean expression using Karnaugh map, you should know the detail about the Karnaugh map. The detail of the Karnaugh maps are what? You should know the definition, proper definition. You should know how to read the map. Third, how to convert the truth table into a Karnaugh map. And lastly comes the minimization. Directly ये वाला टॉपिक सिलेबस में दिया हुआ है इन द असम हाई सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन काउंसिल सिलेबस. लेकिन ये वाला जानने के पहले दिस आर द बेसिक्स, दिस आर द फाउंडेशन, दिस यू शुड बी नोइंग. ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट इज कार्नोफ मैप? दिस इज द फॉर्मल डेफिनेशन. अलग से नोट्स में मिलेगा, पीडीएफ नोट्स मिलेगा. ऑलराइट, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट. So Karnaugh map is a method to simplify a Boolean expression. What is a Karnaugh map? Karnaugh map is a method to simplify Boolean expression. Alright. So what is the other name of Karnaugh map? Other name of Karnaugh map is K-map. It is a method to simplify Boolean expression. Definition. What is the other name? K-map. Okay. Thirdly, how to read the Karnaugh map. This is a given 2x2 Karnaugh map. Okay. This is what? A 2x2 one. 2x2 मैट्रिक्स जैसे मिला है, ये मैट्रिक्स नहीं है. 2x2 या सुन के मैट्रिक्स का चीज याद आ जाएगा क्लास 12 स्टूडेंट्स को. नॉट दैट. ओके, मैट्रिक्स इज देयर इन योर मैथ सिलेबस, बट हियर इट इज अ 2x2 मैप. ओके, व्हाई 2x2? व्हाई इट्स अ 2x2? बिकॉज x and y, two inputs are given to you. Two inputs are represented in the form of this tabular manner. Okay, as there are two inputs x and y, that's why it's a 2x2 map. 2x2 map, not matrix. Okay, not matrix, it is a map. So how to read it? So they have given the expression to be as this column consists of xy. This is x y complement, this is x complement y, this is x complement y complement, दोनों. Alright, so if you or this ये वाला कॉलम को, ओके, रोज, सॉरी, ये वाला रो, सो दिस आर व्हाट यू नो इट, रो 1, रो 2, कॉलम 1, कॉलम 2. मैट्रिक्स वाला लॉजिक थोड़ा लाया. ओके, लाने में तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो रो 1, सो व्हाट रो 1 आई विल डू द और ऑपरेशन इन द रो 1. राइट, और ऑपरेशन इज व्हाट? और ऑपरेशन इज, बोलिए क्या था? करेक्ट, plus will add, right? See, xy plus xy complement, कुछ कॉमन है दोनों में? फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म. प्लस के दोनों तरफ दो टर्म्स है, दोनों टर्म्स में x कॉमन है. यू कैन टेक x as common. y plus y complement. So y plus y complement is how much? Law of complement says this is 1. X into 1 equals to x. So this gives us what? This gives us, if you add this, if you or this first row, you will get x. This is how you are reading the Karnaugh map. Similarly, if you or perform or operation in the second row, you will get y. क्या मिलेगा? y. If I tell you, why will you believe it? क्या जरूरत है मैं बोलने से ही you will believe. So I will show you. Alright. So x dash y था और इसमें था x complement y complement. Okay. So now see what is common in both. X bar is common. X complement is common in both. Alright. So x bar common ले लिया तो बचा क्या? y plus y complement. Again y plus y complement is what? 1. x bar common. Okay, y plus y complement is 1, that is x bar. I told you ना, मैं जानबूझ के गलत लिखा. I told you ना, if I tell you why will you believe me? Okay, so दूसरा वाला में क्या आएगा? दूसरा वाला में आएगा x complement. If I perform or operation in the second row of the given 2x2 map, I will get x complement. Similarly, y and y complement. इसको और करने से y आएगा, इसको और करने से y complement आएगा. y complement you can either represent y complement as this way or as this way. Alright, ये दो तो मैंने लिख दिया, लेकिन ये भी क्यों बिलीव करेंगे? करके देखते हैं. Alright, we'll do and we'll see. We'll perform and we'll see. We'll perform the operation in the lab and we'll see. Lab नहीं, यहीं पे ऐसे ही बोला lab. Alright, so the or operation in the first column, xy plus x dash y. क्या कॉमन है दोनों में? y कॉमन है. x plus x complement. x plus x complement says us that I am 1. चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहे हैं, ब्रैकेट वाला. कि मैं 1 हूँ, ठीक है भाई, आज पैसा आप 1 है, y into 1 is y, I don't know why. Similarly इससे आएगा y complement. So this is where how you should be reading the K-map. Alright. Now you will be learning how to convert it. In the next video you will learn how to convert the truth table into a kind of map.